Right, here I'm busy with my scaping. This is just a mock-up in the card box, as you can see. And I'm busy trying to figure out where my rocks will be, because I'm gluing all different rocks is going to be together. So, because I don't have big enough pieces, this is the water level mark of my tank. There's going to be a little cave, different trees, and what I'm doing is I'm building it from right to left. Still a lot to do here. I'm going to do some aqua soil and power sand and lava rock to create depth and height, and that is my basic drawing. It's going to change a lot, but it's just a quick basic drawing to give you an idea. And you can see I'm going to create some hills. I'm going to create, there might be a path to the cave, or I might create a path in the middle. Obviously there's going to be a lot of trees and other things, greenery on there, and get my inspiration from different photos that I saw, trees, how to create some depth, creating my cave, rocks. This is a beautiful one from Green Aqua 2017 that I did, that I also get my inspiration from. And then with my trees, that's going to be on this side, the hills. See how they've done there with the path going and the roots going down. So yeah, we're going to see what I can create on this side going down. Obviously it's all still in the process, and the reason why I'm doing this is because my current tank is made of Optiwhite glass. It's an 80 centimeter stand, and it's very delicate, very expensive, so I do not want to climb in and out of the tank, and that's why I'm first building it here until I'm happy, and then from here on I will transfer it to my tank, and then we take it from there.